I think I just entered the tomb of the Ark of the Covenant. Do you remember in Indiana Jones and the Ark of the Covenant? Well, I think I just entered the tomb of the Ark of the Covenant. This is the Mustang 2 show car. The first one with the Mustang badge on the front. How about a original Cobra car? The Bordenat? It's actually CSX 3001, the first ever coil spring Cobra chassis, and they turned it into a concept car. It is fine, it's not in bad shape. The bubble just deflated a little bit because the filter just got changed. Hump. Auto cars. Packards. Pre-prototype ACS. Firebird. Old radio van. Detroit News, original lenses. Over there is the one of the only produced actual from the factory Cadillac wagons. And then how about this? The Cougar 2. The original Cougar 2 prototype show car. It's based on a Cougar an original true Shelby Cobra body. This was or is frame CSX 2008. Working on something right now. Might see this car again here in the near future. I hope you liked this little glimpse into a unseen world of cool cars and bubbles. Please share, like, and subscribe for more from the Auto Archaeologist.